Hi, I'm Lilli and Carey.
I'm Carey.
And we just finished our classics class, or turning waltz class, where we looked at left turns, right turns, and transitions, and some on-the-fly moves.
Mm-hmm.
So we started off with just basic weight shift, 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 and then I used my body to rotate my daughter, my partner, my follow, in an arc. And I wasn't traveling forward.
So that dissipates all the energy.
That gets rid of all that wonderful rotational energy that we really like. 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, come around, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, slide back.
So anytime you can just baseline the dance and go back into these sweepies.
All right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we started with that. And then we started with a few turns. We first of all did turns to backing, that is, to this position. Because sometimes that's just what's going to happen socially, and it's nice to know how to deal with that.
Mm-hmm.
So we started off with a free spin turn, noticing that as I get to this position before I leave the turn, I'm under-rotated a little bit, and I'm going to use my core to actually do that turn.
And wherever her chest ends up pointing upon release, that's the direction I'm going to be heading.
So it looks like this.
Move a bit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so in this case, I'm going to go ahead and leave her back line of dance. Claire had a really great idea, and that is when I released her, there's something that she could do to create connection.
I'm really watching. I'm checking in every 3 and 6 to say, Carey, what's next? And as she leads me into this, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm looking at her and I notice that she hasn't come around. She hasn't caught me. She's still a little bit of a distance away. There's a free spin, so I'm going to offer a hand. I'm going to make sure that my other hand is tactful in case she needs it. And then in the absence of anything else, I'm going to use that residual energy to step back. 1, 2, 3. Now we have some tension. She can do any number of things to get me back to close.
I can just bring her back into close.
Close.
And sweep her. Or,
yep, good. She can send me through, and we can be off to the races. So in real time, let's go this way. We got to do that. I look at her. Oh, I float away. That gives us great energy. We can use it for other stuff.
all right? So, we also did this in an overhand version. And one of the things we really wanted to stress and keep in mind is that when we do an outside turn, this hand stays connected with this side of my body. It doesn't do separate things. So as I turn, my arm goes with the entire connection.
I appreciate that.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She's going to step back. I'm going to send her away, and I'm just going to pick her up, just in the simplest version. Then we have the 2 variations where I'm going to actually put her over here, and I'm going to come around 4, 5, 6 to be able to actually pick her up and keep right on turn, which is the super fun part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
She's really working on getting her chest to the outside of the hull, and then I'm staying with her visually as long as I can before bringing my head around, completing the turn, and finding her again. If I can do that in a nice short period of time, you have to do the, I'm watching, I turn, and I'm watching. I have so much time to kind of open up, relax, chill out, and post myself so that she can use me as her pole as she tetherbulls around.
She's also relaxing at the end of her turn to just help judge, and we're both judging distance so we can float back together smoothly. Watching
We'll do a couple rounds of
We'll do a free spin and an overhead.
Lots of hang time at the end of relax.
All right. Then we started the left turn. We posted videos on it before. The left turn has slightly different footwork. I'm going to turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Her footwork is 180 degrees out of phase. She's starting with the 1, 2, 3, more or less in place. So I can use my same starter step and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Now, it is not essential, but it is so much more helpful. If when I transition from rotary, where she's out here,
A little wider.
to my left turn, I'm going to bring her over to my left-hand side, and I'm going to let my fingers cross her spine, putting her more on my left-hand side, and tucking her in a little tighter on this side.
I'm going to do my lead a favor, and instead of letting it flap in the breeze, I'm going to really think about staying parallel and keeping my right shoulder tucked again.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4.
She's going to scoop me up.
2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm watching.
2, 3, 4.
Keeping my shoulder in.
1, 2, 3.
We talked about being able to look over our shoulder to help give a little bit more turn. And to think about on our 2 and our 5, when we step and we look, we're thinking about pointing our hip the direction we want to go. So that really helps us. If we need to deal with these tight corners, well, let's go there. How about there? How about there?
And I can also use my rotation, my body rotation, to go ahead and bring her around. When she is back line of dance, she can also help rotate us both
We
together.
can do more than 2 turns.
That's right. Then we also had an inside turn transition to a left-hand turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1,
She
2,
steps
3,
back,
4,
she
5,
catches me,
2,
sends
3,
me to that
4,
side.
5, 6. And we did one other transition. It was an outside turn. And the same way. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1,
Center way.
4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, one of the things that's important is I make sure I'm placing her over here. I'm coming around to get parallel and even with her. So I'm not back here, and I'm not ahead of her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Away.
Send me away.
And here's your 4, 5, 6. 4,
Catch
5,
him early.
6. 1.
Put him where you want to go, and we're off to the races.
And I usually get my hand onto her back.
5 bow.
About 5. And then we have one other one. It'll look like this. I'm hoping this is everything you did. Where I just release her. And I can use these to come around. And the same thing
Add a little flavor.
with a left hand turn.